Hi, in this video we'll see how to install Java, that is JDK 21 on Mac operating system. First let us choose any browser and then we will type like Oracle Java JDK download. Okay, then we will be visiting this website, that is Oracle website. Here we can see like current version of Java is 21 and previously we have Java 17. Let us go and see about a JDK 21 and we'll select the Mac operating system, and here we have different versions are there, like ARM64 is for your M1 chip and X64 is for your Intel based MacBooks. So here I have a M1, so I'm going to select ARM64. Let us go and click on the link so that it will be downloaded here. So let us click on this link and we download this one. So I will allow this and my download have been started here. So you can see in my download folder download has completed here. So let us go and open this one. Okay, it will take some time. Now we will see and we will go for the installer. Click on this, just right click, open. It will start for the installation prompt, right? So now you can continue install, and you can, it will ask you for the password. You can enter your password and install software, right? That's what, very easy. You can easily install this one. Installation was successful. You can just close the prompt and then it will be automatically moving the installer. I don't want installer, I will move it to the bin, right? I have been moved it to the bin. So now let us go and see whether the Java is working fine. I mean, we are executing, able to execute or not. We'll see Java version, Java. Let us see what is the basic version. Let me set the terminal. I have opened this terminal from my Spotlight, Java hyphen version. It will be showing me the whatever the installation that have been completed. But the problem here is we have to set the path like how we do it in the Java Windows. Here we have to set the path. Java C is also working fine. So just we will clear this and we'll go back and see how to set the Java path. To set the Java path, first we will be verifying whether the Java home variable, what the value it is having. So there is no value here, it is empty value. So let us go and edit in our uh, environment variables. Okay, for this what we will do is we will be opening our we can use either do it in bash shell or z environment, z shell. Okay, we'll do it here in shell. Like we'll use, first of all, open the environment variable using the touch command. Okay, touch, and then we'll open that particular environment file, right? So just you type these commands like zsh environment, so it will be open. Now we need to know the export the path here, so we'll just write export. So whatever the path that we have identified for the Java home where it was installed, means the folder where we have installed your Java anywhere operating system, that folder file should be pointed to here. So export Java underscore home equal to, like dollar, we will see give the path, that is this path is available in this particular folder. The folder is user slash library executable slash Java underscore home. Here we have this one. So let us quickly go and close this one. We'll save this, control S, and then we will be moving back to the terminal back. Okay, press the control S once and close it. So we are back into the terminal here. We'll verify again whether the Java home was really set or not. So previously it was showing us empty path. Now what we need to get is when we echo this path, then we should get the whatever the path we have set as of now, that should be shown here. So for that what we will do, just we will write like we have to restart this particular terminal before verifying it. We'll start it. We'll go to Spotlight and we'll open the terminal. Again, now what we will do, we'll just type the Java underscore home so that it should be pointed to the path what we have set here, right? So as it will not come here, like we have to write the echo here. So echo Java underscore home. So right. So sorry, it is showing me the dollar Java underscore home you should write. So we'll be writing like java underscore home, right? So now the path was set, whatever the path we are telling that we were set. So we'll just run a simple java program and we'll verify that. So I have written simple program and we will run it. Hello, it is running here. So right, so thanks for watching, please do like, share and subscribe to this one. Thank you very much.